All right, boys and girls, today we are going to talk about number lines. You've already been doing some stuff with number lines this morning, but we're going to expand on that a little bit. I wanted to show you this number line, and it's interactive, so that means that Ms. Bailey can move around on it. I want you to look at these blocks that I have down here. Now I have blocks that are labeled from 1 all the way to 10, okay? I'm going to take one of these blocks. Let's just take the 10 block. I like that one. It's big, it's gray. I can stick it up on my board, on my number line. And you notice that it starts at 0. And if I started at 0, it goes all the way to the 10. That is a really large block, okay? It is 10 jumps long. If I take, let's just say this 3 block and I stack it on top, you notice that it is a much shorter block. It starts at 0 and it ends at the 3 on the number line. I wanted to point that out to you to show you that the number 10 is a much larger number than the number 3. If I were to take the number 7 block and put it on here, it is larger than the 3, but it is still smaller than the 10. And so when we're looking at a number line, we always start at the 0 and we see how far from 0 the number travels to. So I wanted to point that out to you today because if I had a length of string that was 10 inches long, that would be a longer piece of string than a string that is 7 inches long. And the 7 inches would be larger than the one that's 3 inches long. So I just wanted to point that out today because that is something that you'll want to remember for when as we move through number lines and for when we start talking about like length in the future.